Assalamualaikum friends. Just go for the new part solid and click the use default templates. Then select a millimeter Newton second as a unit. Select a plane which you want to sketch and make it for sketch on view. Initially we have to draw the rectangle to create a base part for applying the pick and place option such as patterning. Just draw the rectangle and extrude it for required amount of thickness. Then go for the rectangular option. I just draw the rectangle like structure here. Then click OK. Now we are going to discuss about the table driven pattern. So that's why I have to specify all the necessary dimensions in the future which I want to pattern. You also make a reference dimension for the future which I want to make a pattern here. So I just specify the complete dimensions for the patterning feature. I just specify the both direction, reference diagram and dimensions. After drawing the perfect rectangle, I just extrude it for the required amount of specified value here. I just give the height for rectangle as 100 mm and just click OK. Then go for patterning option. After that we have to select a table driven pattern option. Just pick your option such as table driven. In your table dimensions you have to just select the dimensions from a workspace which we want to vary in upcoming patterns. The main difference of other patterns and table driven pattern is the patterning features cannot be in the same size. We have to make a different size of pattern in table driven pattern. I just selected all dimensions which I need to change in upcoming patterns. Just select and edit the table and give the required amount of values which I want to change, and then you can also specify the number of patterns you have to generate with a different specified values. Just specify all the dimensions correctly which I need to change. Just give the serial number or number of patterns you need. You must specify the serial number which we want to create by the terms of numbers. Then click OK. Now we have a highlighted black colors whereby generate the pattern at corresponding distance and size. Now the pattern is generated in different sizes. This is the main use of table driven pattern. It is not possible by using a different types of pattern, but it is possible in table driven pattern. Let's move for the types of pattern. Just select a face and go for the sketch and make it for sketch on view. We have two more types of pattern to be discussed, such as curve pattern and points pattern. So I just draw a base feature to generate the curve and point pattern. I just draw a simple feature, then click OK and go for extrude and draw a extrusion value here and add a tapper. Then click OK. Go for the patterning option. Inside the patterning option we have a type such as curve driven pattern. Just select a curve option and go for the highlighted reference, and you have to define the curve by using a sketch. Make it for sketch on view and draw the curve where we want to create a pattern. Now just draw this open spline. Now the generating patterns must follow the spline here. This is the main use of curve pattern. Just click OK. You can also specify the in-between distance between the pattern. Now the curve pattern is successfully generated. Likewise, we have to make a point pattern. Just select a face and go for the sketch and draw the base feature where we want to pattern. Just draw a simple circle. Then click OK and extrude it for required amount of height, or remove the material based upon your requirement. Then click OK. Select a last extrude and go for the pattern option. Inside the pattern option we have to pick a point type pattern. Just select a point type pattern option. Then go for highlighted reference and just select a define to define the number of points where we want to create a pattern. Make it for sketch on view and select a point option, and you have to pick the points where it's necessary to create a pattern. After selecting a point, you have to just click OK and exit the sketch. Now the highlighted point region is generated pattern here. This is the main use of curve and point pattern. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.